my dear students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 8 Mixed Bag, Chapter number 51, The Yoga Way. Yoga helps us to remain fit and healthy. So look at the pictures, read the description and write the names of the asanas. Asanas मतलब जो हम आसन करते हैं, योगासन. So let me start. Dash is performed in the beginning of a yoga session. It helps to calm the mind and relax the body. So first one is Shavasana. Number 2, dash help to improve focus, correct body posture and increase flexibility. Sukhasana. Number 3, dash brings creativity, strengthens the muscles of the legs, hips, glutes and core and improves balance. Okay, so number 3 is Vrikshasana. Number 4, dash corrects sitting and standing postures, makes the core, tummy muscles strong and it's considered good for increasing the circulation of spine fluid. Number 4, it is Marjarasana, Marjari Asana, यानी कि बिल्ली. Marjari Asana. Number 5, dash enhances positivity, strengthens the muscles of the chest and arms along with the back and abdomen. यह है भुजंगासना. Number 6, dash increases appetite, is good for the abdomen and improves flexibility of the thighs, hips and spines. So number 6 is Mandukasana. यानी कि Number 7, dash stretches the respiratory tract, improves the functioning of the immune system and reduces anxiety and stress. तो ये कौन सा आसन हुआ? सिंहासना. Dash strengthens the stomach muscles, shoulders and thighs. It is very beneficial for kidneys and liver. It helps in curing constipation and other problems related to indigestion. This is Naukasana. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 52. Space exploration. Wonders of science. Space Lab was built by the European Space Agency. It is equipped with all kinds of instruments and apparatus of scientific and engineering experiments like the shuttle. It is reusable. It is not left in space but remains on board the shuttle. in orbit and is then returned to Earth. It was first taken into space in November 1983. Traveling in space is one of the greatest adventures in history. After years of hard work and experimentation, check how much you know. So, since which year has space travel been possible? Since which year? In 1950. Number 2. What is the minimum speed required by an object to escape from the gravitational pull? ये है 4000 किलो पर आवर. सो ग्रेविटेशनल पुल 4000 किलो, तो यहाँ पे हम मेंशन कर देंगे पर आवर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. आर स्पेसक्राफ्ट मूविंग slower than the escape velocity when moving away from the Earth will gradually slow down and fall back to the Earth? True or false? It is true. Number 4. The first object carried into space by rockets were artificial satellite and probes. True or false? So it is true. Number 5. What was the name of the dog that was the first living creature to go into space? Laika. Number 6. What do you call a scientist who is concerned with the weather? Meteorologist. Question number 7. Probes are unnamed spacecraft sent into space to find out more information. What do these probes carry? So answer number 7 is measuring instrument. Measuring instrument, camera, and radio. Okay. Question number 8. What is a crawler spacecraft termed as unnamed? Okay, so the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 53. Kinds of animals. Coin the correct word for the group of animals after reading the description given below. Animal with a backbone. These are the vertebrates. V E R T A B R A T E S. Number 2. Animal without a backbone, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? वो होते हैं invertebrates. BRATES. Answer is not there. INVERT, invert. Okay. Inverter, B-R-A-T-E-S, invertebrates. Number 3, animals that crawl on their bellies, वो होते हैं reptiles. R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S, reptiles. Question number 4, small animals with 6 legs, insect. Question number 5, animals having feathers and beak, bird. Animals that can live both on land and in water, वो कौन से होते हैं? Amphibians. E-M-P. Amphibians. Question number 7, animals with soft bodies having either hard shells or no shells. So number 7 is molluscs. Number 8, animals having external skeleton that gets distinguished due to their parted limbs. So the answer number 8 is crustaceans. Number 9, monkeys that do not have tail, जिनको पूंछ नहीं होती, apes. Number 10, animals that can gnaw, rodents. Number 11, a mammal of an order that includes monkeys, apes, lemurs, and humans. So number 11 is primates. Primate. Number 12, group of mammals who carry their young ones in a pouch, marsupials. marsupials, marsupials, like kangaroo. Cut-chewing animals are also called by this name, ruminant. So everyone, the chapter number 53 is completed here. Okay, so let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 54. Chapter number 54, how to be a secret agent. Would you like to be secret agent like James Bond? Here's how to send secret messages no one can decipher unless he knows your secret code. So one cheaper used by secret agent replaces letter with numbers in a simple version. A is replaced by 1, like A is 1, B by 2, and so on, with 26 standing for Z. Okay. So with the help of the cipher given below, try and decode the secret messages given. 21, 65, 11, 11, 11, 24, 6. Okay. T11. Okay. 21, 6, 5. D. Go today. Okay. So number 1 is don't go today. Okay. Next. Number 2. 19, 22, 14, 18. Beware of John. Number 3. 26, 184. I am sick. Okay. Now see if you can send these passages by the secret code. अब इन्हें हमें कोड में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है. 1. Wait for me. 1418. 26 11 WAIT 11 4 11 23 6 9 4 22. Number 2. Help. HELP. One. Number 3. Where shall we meet? बहुत लंबा ये तो. WHERE. So let me start. 14. Where shall we meet? W. 15. 14. 25. 22. 9. 22. WHERE. Where shall we meet? SHAL. 10. 25. 18. 33. 14. 22. 4. 22. 22 and 11. MEET. So everyone, chapter number 54 is end there. And now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 55. Global incidents. The latter half of the 20th century and the early pale of the 21st century have seen various important global events. Some of them are discussed below. So read the sentences carefully and fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash attack, Dash in 2003, it was called the Dash Gulf War. So the first Gulf War was fought in 1990s during the presidency of Dash. So the answer is USA attacked Iraq. USA attacked Iraq, okay, in 2003. So it was called the second Gulf War, है ना? The first Gulf War was fought in 1990s during the presidency of George Bush. Number 2, terrorists attacked the World Trade Tower. World Trade Tower in New York on 11 September 2001, in which more than 10,000 persons were killed. After that, the USA declared a global war against terrorism. Question number 3. The phenomena of Atlantic is an example of harmful effect of chemical known as . So this is ozone layer over. Over Atlantic is an example of harmful effect of chemical known as depletion. Number 4. Dash is a condition in which the temperature of the atmosphere rises due to the enhanced level of carbon dioxide. So this level is enhanced due to combustions of fuels, forest fires, volcanoes, biodegradation, etc. So the answer is global warming. Number 5. Unification of dash and dash was a great event of the 20th century. So it is East-West. East and West Germany. East and West Germany. Number 6. Dash is considered one of the most important events in recent history in which free flow of trade goods, persons and capital is made possible, and as a result of which the world is shrinking to become a global village. So it is facilitated by new dash for instant communication and information. So it is globalization era. Globalization era, and यहाँ पे आएगा टेक्नोलॉजी. Okay, so everyone, chapter number 55 is completed here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 56. Professionally perfect. People pursue different kinds of professions and occupations to earn their living. So read the description and write the names of profession. Number 1. Dash is a person who fixes glasses in door and window. Glazier. Number 2. Dash is a person who work in a coal mine. It is collier. Dash is a person who loads and unloads ship. Stevedore. Number 4. Dash is a person who deals in clothes and fabrics. Draper. Number 5. Dash is a person who goes from place to place, mending posts and pans. So number 5 is tinker. Number 6. Dash is a person who deals in brass article. Brazier. Number 7. Dash is a person who is in charge of museum. So who is? Curator. Dash is a person who studies prehistoric remains, ancient buildings, etc. So number 8 answer is archaeologist. Number 9. Dash is a person who draws map. Cartographer. Number 10. Dash is a person who is engaged in the work of cutting precious stones such as diamond. So number 10 is lapidary. Number 11. Dash is a person who goes from place to place selling different things. So it is hawker. Dash is a person who raises cattle for the market. Grazier. So everyone, the chapter number 56 is completed here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 57. Great art forever. Art makes life beautiful. Check your general knowledge in different areas of art. Answer the following. One of the 7 wonders of the world is the statue of Zeus. In which country can it be seen? Olympia, Greek. What is the height of the statue of Lax Dies? 150 feet. Number 3. Although copper is highly resistant to chemical action of the atmosphere, a thin coating of a certain color appears on copper statues after a length of time. What is the color of this coating? So it is green color. Number 4. Name the artist who painted the famous Mona Lisa. Who is the? Leonardo da Vinci. Number 5. Besides painting, Leonardo da Vinci answer number 4 is Leonardo da Vinci. Okay. Number 5. Besides painting, Leonardo da Vinci was extremely good at another form of art named the art sculpture. Number 6. By what name is the secular music of the Negra group of the United States known? So the answer number 6 is jazz. Number 7. In which country were the first Christmas cards designed? England. Name the deep resonant bell which the BBC uses as its signature during broadcast. Big Bang. Silo double bass lesson are the names of musical instruments. Number 2. Ajanta and Ellora caves are famous for a temple. What is the name of this temple? Kailash temple. A place in Madhya Pradesh is famous all over the world for its wonderfully sculptured temples. What is the name of the place? The name of the place is Palo. Number 12. What is the name of the most famous sculpture done by Michelangelo? Chioggia. So everyone, the chapter number 57 is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 58. Food Plaza. We eat a variety of food. Can you name these food items? If tandoori roti is very thick, which roti is very thin? Rumali. Corn on the cob is popular snack in rural America. How do we know it in India? So it is bhutta. है ना? भुट्टा बोलते हैं, चाली बोलते हैं, और क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कॉर्न कॉब भी बोलते हैं. Saffron is often called, number 3. Saffron is often called yellow gold, which seafood is considered pink and gold. Prawns. If mutton is associated with goat, venison is the meat of which animal? Deer. Number 5. Which ice cream sound as if it has been named after a day of the week? Sunday. What are popularly referred to by westernized Indians as jams, gulab jamun. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 59. Where do they live? Circle the animals found in these places. India, tiger. Africa, hippopotamus. Australia, emu. Indonesia, Komodo dragon. New Zealand, number 5, kiwi. Okay, now Siberia. Mink. South Africa, llama. 8. North America. Bison. China, panda. Island, Galapagos Island, tortoise. Number 11. Canada. Grizzly bear. And Africa, giraffe. Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 60. Greetings. So this chapter only for reading. An important aspect of our interaction with people is the way we greet them. So the way we greet a person will set the tone for the rest of our conversation with the person. An important aspect of our interaction with people is the way we greet them. The way we greet a person will set the tone for the rest of our conversation with that person. There are various ways to greet a person. So let us read about some of them. A. Introducing someone. You take a friend home and she meets your parents. Remember to always introduce the junior to the senior person first. For example, introduce your friend to your parents first and then address your friends, telling him who your parents are. Given below are different ways to introduce your friend to your parents. So here's what you might say. Mummy, Daddy, I'd like you to meet someone. This is Prachi. Mom, Dad, I'd like you to meet a friend of mine. Her name is Prachi. Hello, Auntie. Hello, Uncle. Hello, Prachi. So what do you could say to Prachi? Prachi, these are my parents. Prachi meets my parents. So these are some ways to interact when you meet someone new. B. Meeting someone new when you have been introduced to someone new. Here is what you could say. It's nice to meet you. Hi. I'm very happy to meet you. Hi. Hello. Hi. Glad to meet you. Good to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. And I'm pleased to meet you. So ये सारे option हैं, है ना? Okay. So one day while returning, you meet a very old friend. Write a short conversation between you and your friend. You can begin your conversation like this. You. Hello Rima, how are you? Rira. I'm fine. Thank you. So these are the etiquettes. कि कैसे हमें मिलना चाहिए और कैसे किसी को greet करना चाहिए. So everyone. The chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 61. IQ quest. Choose the correct figure from the option that matches with the question figure given. A. Question number 1. तो यहाँ पे figure देखनी है कौन सी match करेगी. Okay, this. B. A, B, C नहीं. तो ये क्वेश्चन है और ये इसके आंसर है. तो इसमें आएगा ये ऑप्शन बी. ओके. नंबर 2. ये क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे अब इसको देख के कि इसको फिगर मैच करनी है, कौन सी फिगर यहाँ पे आएगी, तो दिस इज ए, ये इससे मैच हो रही है, ठीक है ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, in the following questions there is a relationship between the first figure and the second figure, so using the same analogy choose the correct option to replace the question mark. Okay, so the one D, ये इस पे ये आएगी यहाँ पे डी, ये वाली जो है फिगर, ये फिगर आएगी यहाँ पे 1 में, और 2 में ये वाली फिगर आएगी, दिस वन, ये यहाँ पे आएगी, ठीक है। फाइंड द ओड वन इन ईच ग्रुप. ओके, सी, ए बी सी डी, 1 डी, 2 बॉल, आई थिंक सी, नहीं ए, ये तीनों खेलने की वो है, ठीक है, बॉल. ओके, नंबर 3 ऑप्शन इज बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ए बी सी डी, आई थिंक डी, क्योंकि इट इज अ पेंगुइन. ओके एवरीवन, so the chapter number 61 is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 62. Important organizations. So this chapter only for reading. ILO, International Labour Organization, set up in 1919, attempt to improve labor condition, helps to provide better motivation to people around the world and income productive employment. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It came into existence on 4 April 1949. The body was established as a defensive, political and military alliance of independent countries. It provides common security to its members in political, military, economical as well as in scientific fields. EU, European Union. It is headquartered at Brussels, Belgium. The EU is by far the most successful regional organization in the world. It aims at closer political and economic integration, establishing an economic and monetary union, implementation of common foreign and security policy and development in the fields of justice and home affairs. The World Bank Group offers loan to developing countries of the world so that they may increase their production and reduce poverty. WTO, World Trade Organization, the successor organization to the multilateral general agreement of tariffs and trade, has headquarters at Geneva and aims at liberalization of the world trade. SAARC, South Asian Association with Regional Cooperation. The headquarters are at Kathmandu, Nepal. The objectives of SAARC are to promote and strengthen collective self-reliance among its 7 members countries, namely India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan and Maldives. Okay, so the knowledge is in here, so the chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 63, just for fun. So let me start. A crossword with a difference. Here is a crossword puzzle with numbers instead of letters, so they fit in the same way as letters. So they fit in the same way as letters in the ordinary crossword. So let's begin. Across 1. The number of days in a year 365. Okay, next one. Number 3. 1 dozen 12. Question number 4, 8,000 plus 1,000 plus 1. It is question number 4. 9,001. Question number 6. 10 decades. Hundred. Okay. Now question number 7. The number of square yards in an acre. It is 4840. 4840. Next question. Question number 8. The number of hours in a day. 24 hours. Number 10, a score extent. 200. Okay. Now 1, the number of days in December. 31. Question number 2. M. 5500. Okay. Now next. Question number 3. 41 into 4. 41 into 4. 164. Okay. Now next question. Question number 4. 1000 minus 100. It is 900. 4. Oh, okay. 900. Now next question. Question number 5. A grass. Close. 144. Number 6. 358 into 4. Let's solve. 358 into 4. One four three two. So the answer is 1432. So the puzzle is solved. Okay. Okay, so everyone, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand and enjoyed all the chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.